Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Raymond and I am the founder of One Extra and also Raymond Trading Technical Analysis Institute. So, welcome to our daily recap today. So, before we start, let me introduce you my two indicators that was created by myself. That is Raymond Swing Day and Raymond's Ratio. So, the Raymond Swing Day will help you to spot out the support and resistance daily and weekly time frame, and our Raymond ratio is helping you to spot out the markets is trending or not. So let's start. So let's back from what has happened yesterday. So yesterday we can see here this is the first time push up, another second time push up, and daily opening gap fail, and is the third time push up. We can see it's brought very clearly that is the bullish cannot try to extend as the price 4,550, right? And this should be our hard stop loss yesterday. What's so let talking about our entry. So based on my indicators, it's very clear that is yesterday we make an entry at the price 4,527.8 cents for ounce of gold. So at this entry, this might be good because you can have a hard stop loss here, right? But if you are missing this entry, you can wait the price breakout, retest, and confirm here. We have another entry nearly here, right? This is the confirm, right? The confirm candles. And we have another that is called stop loss entry, which which is created from this spot, right? So the price significant move down from yesterday and until it hit our aggressive bearish here, right? This is spot our aggressive bearish from the whole week. Yes, this is for daily, which is the bearish is very aggressive. Is extend their trend from daily into the weekly. So we have the huge range for us to trade this week. This is the range we trade on this week, right? This still using this week until is broken or is continue break out or not, right? So basically, so far today, this is our range on this week. So uh, let's continue. So what is our entry for today? So let's see what's the price give us. Yesterday is confirmed. This is the our support at the 4,293.5 US dollar for 1 ounce of gold. This is our support zone. So another thing is this is our an entry for today, and it's have just confirmed, right? So before we entry, right, we cannot entry it immediately at this red candle, right? We should use another trick in trading, what is calling buy stop, right? When we buy stop, which means we want this volatile is keep moving up, and this is our entry. So after our entry, right, we should have set our stop loss. Please remember we always set our stop loss. Have two stop loss. You should set one is an entry stop loss or a hard stop loss. A hard stop loss is if you if you want to have another cover trade, right? Like for example, like if price is moving down and you don't want to hit the stop loss here, you have the more room for the price to move. So you may can set the hard stop loss here, so when price move down, right, you can have another entry. and and when price move back to your entry or your break even, you can close two of your trade significantly, or you continue to extend your trade, your position. Yeah, that is for the hard stop is for scaling positions purpose. And our entry stop loss is for make sure uh, we only have one trade for each. Yeah, it's depend on you, right? So this is just an education purpose, so this is not a financial advice. So please, I didn't take any responses. I don't take any responsibility if you are using my research, my education material for trading and investment. Please note that. So let's continue. After we stop here, right? We have our entry stop loss. We can see what is our take profit. You can see here why I choose the take profit here, because that is the next resistance zone on this week, right? That is the next resistance zone. So we should set our take profit there, right? And let's see if this entry is triggered, right? We might have a risk reward ratio is 1.95, which is nearly 2, which means we only risk one and we have two bigger time of the reward. So that is very interesting entry, right? So what's happened if you are using a hard stop? Yeah, the results very poor if you are using hard stop and you only trade one position, right? So please remember, if you are using hard stop, you need to have recovering trade, which is another position to helping you recover to break even or helping you to scaling your position, right? And honestly, that is for the professional level. Let's just talking about the beginner levels or the newbie level first here, right? So of course you don't want to mess up around with this too much trade, right? So about what is, if you are a professional level, you will know exactly what is the next opening position for yourself to recover this trade or move it to the back even. That is for professional. But if you are a newbie or you are the fresher, you if you are using the hard stop, you will maybe very struggle about, so what is our next entry? Yeah, that's is different story, so I don't want to mention about it. Okay, so here, right? So the reason why I choose the entry here, why not another candles? You can see here we have three time pushing down. That is the directions. We have two time pushing down and a confirm. It is a confirm about the support zone, right? So far we have this confirmed about the support zone, which is if the price fail below here, this is very high probability about we will hit the hard stop loss. So yes, beware about that. So yes, we have like four, right? Four reason for us to enter here. And another fifth reason I buy stop here, because I want is continue volatile, right? The bullish volatile is continue. So that's the reason why I buy stop here. Okay. Okay, so far so good. So thank you for listening about my daily recap and hope you have a nice day, right? Thank you and bye bye.